On your marks. Para tayong pinaprank linggo-linggo sa bangayan.
So beautiful yung aming
Pero kayo mismo,
news. Ayan, mga beautician.
laman ng mga balita kung paano magsagutan ang dalawang pamilyang ito. Tama po ba? Hinihilo nila ang taong bayan. Kaya linggo-linggo din, hilong-talilong tayo. Una, estudyante.
Gawa sa newspaper at saka sa ayan, may tissue din. Mga recycle. Lagayan ng itlog, yung box ng itlog, ginawa ng flower, tapos newspaper. Ayan. Native.
Ang mga Pilipino.
Yan. Ito yung box ng itlog, ginawa ng flower.
Komisyon ng gobyerno ni Marcos Jr. mas inuuna pa ang charter change. Niraratsada ang pagpalit ng konstitusyon. Bakit? Para mabigyan sila ng panibagong
Ayan, mga beautician.
nakaw na naman sa kabanang bayan.
Ayan, ang dami ng beautician.
Kasi nilang pagbabago ng konstitusyon, binibigyan kaya ang mga dayuhan na magkaroon ng 100% ownership sa ating mga resources. Diba? So kaya,
Ay, sorry. Stewardess. Sa warrior.
candidate number 5 is Roselyn Copia. She is from the Filipino organization called Tropang Angat. She is 37 years old. Her outfit is a flight attendant, is the FA provided customer service while creating a welcoming environment for passengers before, during, at the conclusion of each flight. About the material, they use recycling paper such as magazine and newspaper. Helps to reduce greenhouse gas emission that can contribute to climate change. It takes 70% less energy and water to recycle paper than to create a new paper from trees. Manufacturing with recovered paper cuts down on pollution that contribute to smog and ill health, while egg cartons are biodegradable, meaning they break down into harmless components over time. This ensures that even if they end up in landfills, they won't persist for generations, harming the environment. Choosing paper egg and cartons over plastic or styrofoams once can significantly reduce your carbon footprint.
Ganda yung
We added used clothes, old CDs, and bubble wrap. Thank you, everyone. Be a recycler, be a saver, tomorrow. Candidate number 6 is Fredaline Parge, currently the Vice Chair of PSU and the Welfare Coordinator of Cordillera Alliance.